valley of your heart. The sun rises slowly as you walk away from all your fears and all your thoughts you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't believe to tell you see. I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. I hold on hoping I let you choke on the noose around your neck, and I find strength to pay, and I change my ways, know my name as it's called again. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me in the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post with all my ears. I can see widows and orphans through my tears. Know my call despite my faults, despite my broken fears. Know my name as it's called again. So come out of your cave, looking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence and know they're making happy. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say.